Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Aktab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Express newspaper headlines. So, first of all, many companies starting at downgrades on weak quarter 2. Next, Reliance to buy Metro Cash and Carry India business for European 500 million. Next, Bumrah Jadeja score big in brand endorsement. Next, Google halts its Pixel India plans. Next, SC overrules High Court order on one-time settlement. Then next, Musk bluster unlikely to spoil India's digital advertising party. Then we comes to page number 4. On that, coal supply to power sector drops 6% in October. Next, stubble burning events in Punjab rises 16% in one day. Next, BKU plans to boycott trials of GM mustard. Next, states capex growth flat in H1 despite buoyant tax revenue. Next, Russia becomes India's top oil supplier in October. Next, cut inflation to 6% and curb rate hike piece Rangarjan. The next, GST law panel looks to define games of skill chances. Next, Musk bluster likely to be spoil India's digital advertising party. Next, Google halts its Pixel plant, India plant. The next, we comes to the page number 6. On that, Maruti may boost Mansur capacity by 1 lakh unit. Next, bankbazaar.com to turn profitable in financial year 23, says CEO. Next, Geo 6 speeder insolvency procedure for Reliance Infra. Next, demand likely to slow down for IT companies in H2. Next, newly listed firms ESG disclosures rise, says study. Then we comes to then next, a data driven approach to employee wellness. Next, it's time to move beyond chatbots. Then we comes to page number 7. On that, ever ready MD, big areas unattended in early regime. Next, in euro 500 million deal, Reliance to buy Metro Cash and Carry India biz. Next, RIL best employer props. Then next, Tirupati temple richer than Wipro. Next, Tata Steel CEO less than 15% financial year 23 capex utilized. Then we comes to page number 8. It's an article section in that focus on climate finance. Next, the adoption agenda. Next, what's in definition. Next, don't sideline side letters. Then we comes to page number 9. On that, hold on to your arbitrage fund. That is an article section. Next, buy corporate bonds in a public issue. Next, can pay premiums on monthly basis. Next, need to disclose the property sale in ITR even if there's no capital gain. Then we comes to the page number 10. On that, asset quality improved sequentially. Next, growth continues to remain high. Next, quarter 2 steady network expansion stays the course. Next, the most in demand cloud skill. Next, what is the Eden price. Next, new schools on the block. Then we comes to page number 11. On that, to do layers of indoor brand equity. Next, being smart. Next, the future of mobility is flex. Next, swapping space gets recharged up. Then we comes to page number 12. On that, India hub for skilled talent in for CEO. Next, get back to the innovation game. Next, tech makes city communicating smart and hassle free. Next, pick it up even if you are not the outdoor type. Next, everything but the price sounds good. Next, this promises freedom from virus. Then we comes to the page number 18. On that, 6 meter sugar exports allowed in 2023-2022. Next, draft digital act by early 2023, MOCIT. Next, GM mustard could reach farmers in 2 to 3 years. Next, liquidity turns surplus has demand for cash drop. Next, cotton prices likely to remain subbed due to surplus supply. Then we comes to page number 19. On that, global warming turned 2022 into a chronicle of climate shocks. Next, the world may need Russian oil output cut. Then we comes to page number 20. On that, paid Twitter in India likely in a month. Next, tax tweak for educational trust. Next, 15 million doses of Covaxin said to be expire early 2023. Next, Indian hacks for higher firms target VIP states report. Next, ISRO plans to return to Mars, explore dark side of moon. Next, out of action, Bumrah Jadeja score big off the field. Next, we comes to page number 21. On that, Sunak offers UK allies cause for hope, but Tory dangers linger. Next, passengers plane crashes lands into Lake Victoria in Tanzania, at least 19 deaths. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.